Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your Bex Cram, ang fruit picker sa bansang Euro. Tada! And guys, and for today's video, ayan, yung mga kasama ko, ang galakad-lakad. Galing kami guys sa bus terminal dahil ako ay nagpa-reserve ng ticket because I'm going to Thessaloniki City. Tada! And guys, may appointment tayo sa Sunday. And then, ayan, may very important errands tayo on Sunday. And for today guys, tapos na yung aming work. So naglakad-lakad kami. Pumunta kami ng mga shop kahit wala kaming pera. Tadaan! And guys, it's already 7 o'clock in the evening. But look, super taas pa rin ang araw. So there's nothing new because we are living here in Europe. Chada! Charis! Oh, close again. Another close. Ay, it's open. Oh my God. Nakailang attempt na kami guys pumunta dito para mag-ano lang, window shopping because we don't have enough money to buy something. Okay. Ayan na guys, bawal tayo mag-vlog inside. So, bye for now. Ayan guys, we're back. Ayan guys. After na, kasama ko ay nakabili ng kanyang shoes, Adidas. Ayan. So, and now we're heading to grocery store to buy something. Lang yung pagkain guys. Ayan. Bawal tayo mag-vlog sa mga shop or store kasi respect their privacy na rin guys. Ayan guys. Tapos na kami nag grocery here. Ayan. Tada! Lagas na naman tayo ng kayamanan for today's video, but that's okay guys because tayo nag-work, so kailangan natin bumili ng ating mga bagay-bagay. Ayan yung store. Tada. Tada. Ay, market. I don't know how to Nopos Market.